Hey there! If you're selling your home on your own, what we call FSBO or for sale by owner, you've probably spent a lot of time focusing on how to market your property online. Great photos, catchy descriptions, posting on all the right sites. That's awesome. But there's one part of the sale that most FSBO sellers don't think about until it's too late: the legal side. That's where today's video comes in. Welcome to Beyond the Listing, your FSBO safety net. Let's talk about how title companies can help protect you, streamline your sale, and make sure the legal side of your transaction goes off without a hitch. Marketing is easier than ever, thanks to the internet. But selling a house isn't just about attracting buyers. There's a whole world of legal forms, disclosures, and regulations that come into play. And if something gets missed, you're looking at potential delays, disputes, or even worse, legal headaches after the sale. So how do you cover that gap? Let's dive in. Enter your new best friend in this process: the title company. Most people think title companies just handle paperwork at the end, but honestly, they do way more than that, especially for independent sellers like you. Think of them as your behind-the-scenes legal partner. They help carry the compliance load, and trust me, that's a big deal. First up, the title search. This is where your title company digs deep into your property's history. They're looking for anything that could create problems down the line, like unpaid taxes, old liens, or legal judgments attached to the property. Their goal? To make sure you have a clear title so your sale can close smoothly. This step alone is worth its weight in gold for FSBO sellers. Next, let's talk paperwork. Every state, and even many cities, have their own rules and disclosure requirements when you sell a home. Your title company knows these inside and out. They'll help you fill out, review, and submit all the necessary documents, making sure everything's done by the book. That means less stress for you and a lot less risk. Once you and your buyer reach an agreement, the title company becomes your transaction quarterback. They hold all the funds in escrow, making sure both parties meet their obligations before any money or property changes hands. They coordinate the closing date, prep the final documents, and keep everyone on schedule. And on top of that, they provide title insurance, giving the buyer protection and giving you peace of mind that the deal won't unravel later. So, why does this matter so much for FSBO sellers? Simple. Without a traditional agent, you're carrying the responsibility for compliance, timing, and documentation yourself. A title company helps you avoid legal mistakes, saves you time, and keeps your sale moving forward without drama. And honestly, having that professional guidance gives you confidence at every step. Here's the bottom line. While you focus on marketing your home and negotiating with buyers, let a title company handle the legal side. Do a little research. Call a few local title companies. Ask about their FSBO services. With the right partner, you'll protect your sale and your peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Check out one of our other videos or articles for more valuable tips, and good luck with your FSBO journey.